Yo, what's up guys? So since the last video, there has been a series of unfortunate bullshit that's been going on with the rbeast 13. So today will be me trying to fix everything. And I'm also starting way late in the day. I should have started this like 5 hours ago, but procrastinating ass and just being lazy. I'm gonna try to get 50 things done in no time. So let's see how the day goes. And I'll start by showing you what's been broken since the last time I posted a video of this car. Damn it. So first things first, I'm gonna push it out. Yes, I said push it out, not drive it out. I gotta push it out. I'll show you why. All right, I pushed the car out and I'll show you why. If you take a look at Exhibit A right here, this is oil. My oil pan's leaking. If you remember, I did an oil change on this probably a couple videos back. Well, apparently the washer that's on there isn't exactly crushing, so I'm gonna have to pull that drain plug back off and try to put a different style washer on there and hope that fixes my oil leak. So that's fix number one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try to swap out that oil drain copper washer. Alright, so as you can see, there's that gritty oil drain plug, and you see it's kind of moisture around there. There's a slight leak coming from there. So I'm going to go ahead and swap out that washer with another one. Guest star appearance and the beautiful Madeline.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi, YouTube. She's like, what is that?
Confused.
She's like, I don't care. Ann hasn't been in a video in like 47 years.
It's been a while.
She's still here, guys. John is
He's inside.
He's inside somewhere messing around with Paulo. So I got the new washer on. Doesn't seem to be leaking. So now let's fix the second thing that's broken, and I'll show you that next. But first, we got to go back to looking at this beautiful baby. She's so beautiful. 1 million views for this cuteness right here. She's like, I don't know what's going on around here.
Right. And sunglasses.
Okay. John, everybody.
What's up? Long time no see.
Yep. That's what happened. That little cuteness right there takes all their time, and then 50% is just laziness.
Yeah, a lot of laziness, but it's okay. I get to spend more time with her.
Come to Dunedin.
So we went to do a photo shoot last week with my boy over in Tampa, and his road has got this crazy super crown on it, and I had to do like a 3-point turn, and when I was turning around, I was backing up because of low life. This is what happened.
Oh, do you have like water bottle?
R.I.P. Well, my
Did you bring her water?
my flex pipes got a little messed up, and that's all scraped up. But what happened was my V-band caught the crown of the road and broke. RIP to my V-band. I got some more V-bands somewhere. I don't know where. I'm gonna throw this back on, but I guess I could start the car up, let you guys hear how loud it is with open downpipe for a second. All right, start it up. Alright, enough of that nonsense. Gotta put the exhaust back on. As soon as I find where I put that V-band at.
The clamps over there on the ground.
This downpipe's pretty easy to install. This goes, I don't know if you can see, that's the upper part to the turbo. And then that's the second half for the catback. So I just gotta go find my V-band clamp and then I'll throw this back on. Alright, so I found my V-band thanks to Jonathan over at FTP. Got it to him from the low. So I'm gonna throw one of these on there. Alright, so I got the exhaust all bolted back up. Start it up real fast. Take this shit out of gear. So that part is fixed. Now the next thing I'll be doing is taking off these hood latches and time to Honda hood mod this shit. As you can see, that's how high it goes up, and I'll show you once I'm done modifying it how high it comes up next. Alright guys, here's the right side. As you can see how high that one goes, and here's the left side. What it used to go, now it goes all the way up. So now I just got to do this right side. Alright, I got the right side all done. As you can see now, it also opens all the way up now. So go ahead and reinstall it. Okay, the right side is remounted. See, that goes up. Left side goes all the way up. RIP to my screwdriver that I use for a chisel. But that is complete. So alright, it's time to back this thing back in the garage now. Alright guys, I'm going to end this part of the video right here because I have ran out of daylight. There's no more. So I won't be able to complete the other part that I wanted to do, so you guys will see on the next clip. Keep watching. Yo, what's up guys? I'm back. It's a new day and I'm going to finish off doing what I didn't finish on the last part of the clip. I didn't do the Honda hood mod for no reason. I'm going to be putting on my hood, but Paulo's sleeping, so I'm going to try to accomplish this by myself, so I probably won't record that. So let me go ahead and throw the hood on the car and then show you guys what it looks like finally. Alright guys, there you have it. The hood is mounted. Thanks for my neighbor for helping me out because Paulo's still sleeping. But But I mean, like as I showed you before, there's little like blemishes where they were like probably sanding out some of the imperfections. I'm gonna see if I can't get it buffed out, maybe clean it up, and if not, then whatever. We'll just have to ride like that until I get the car painted. D-Max hood is finally installed. And there's one more thing I need to try. Just think I did that Honda hood mod for no reason. Let's see. There you have it, on the hood mod. Looks dope. And I still have to install my arrow catch hood latches, because I don't trust the OEM one on these hoods. So when I get some more time and get a little bit of help, I'll be throwing those on. Also, the hood is lifted a little bit. I'm not sure why. Maybe it'll conform, but that's just how it's resting. I don't know why, but so anyways, this will be next. That's going on the hood. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. The D-Max hood is finally installed. I know it took a little while, but I'd be having to do other things. But thanks for watching. Comment down below and let me know what you want to see next on the car. All right, peace.